Hello friends, today we'll discuss about three-phase power. In three-phase power, the general formula is root 3 VL IL cos pi. VL is the line voltage, IL is the line current, and cos pi is the phase difference between voltage and current. But from where this root 3 is coming? This is the topic of discussion. And this is also equal to the 3 phase voltage into phase current into cos pi, both for star and delta connected system. Now I have taken star connected system and I have considered 3-phase 4-wire system. This is the drawing. This is a 3-phase 4-wire system and this is star connected system. Star connected system is 4-wire system. Now how to measure the power for this 3-phase load? There are 3 numbers of wattmeter, W1, W2 and W3. There are 2 parts of wattmeter, 2 main parts. This is current coil that is connected in series in R phase, and this is the pressure coil. Pressure coil is used to measure the voltage difference between these 2 points. All the pressure coil points are connected to the neutral point of this system. And current coil is connected in series in 3 different phases. Now the total power will be the reading of wattmeter 1, wattmeter 2 and wattmeter 3, because in this system total system is classified in 3 parts. That is part 1, here R phase and neutral, current is IR, voltage difference is R, potential difference between R phase and neutral. There is VRN and this is current IR. Similarly, we can get the reading of wattmeter 2 and wattmeter 3 in the similar manner. Hence we get the total power, that is P1, P2 and P3. P1 is IR VRN, similarly P2 IY VYN, P3 IB VBN. This IR, IY and IB, these are the line current, and for star connected system line current and phase current is same. So IR equals to IY equals to IB equals to IL equals to IPH, I phase, for symmetrical balanced load. Now the total power will be, because IR, IY, IB, this is IPH, I phase, and VRN, VYN, VBN, these voltages are phase to neutral voltage, that is phase voltage, and for symmetric system this is VPH, phase voltage. So total power will be 3 IPH VPH. We can satisfy this equation both for star connected and delta connected system. There are so many methods to prove this: 2 wattmeter method, 3 wattmeter method, and without taking this neutral point we can satisfy this equation by taking a common C point. Now in terms of line parameter, the equation will be, in case of star connected system, I line current and phase currents are same, but line voltage equals to 1 by root 3 times of phase voltage. So phase voltage equals to 1 by root 3 times line voltage, that is 3 multiplication 1 by root 3. IPH is IL and VPH is 1 by root 3. Already I have taken VL, that is root 3 IL VL. This is the equation. Hence we proved from where this root 3 is coming. For delta system, in similar manner we can prove this. But there are so many questions, that is from where this cos phi is coming. Cos phi is the phase difference between current and voltage. If there is a difference, so we have to consider cos phi. In the next video, I will discuss elaborately about this cos phi, from where this cos phi is coming, why I have to multiply this cos phi, and also why this is IL into VL. To calculate the power of a system, why I have to multiply IL with VL, why it is not IL by VL. In my next video, I will discuss all these things in details.